Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and properly configure NOPIE Tunnel VPN for fast, secure, and unlimited browsing. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important settings. First of all, open any web browser on your device, such as Chrome or any other browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type SSHSSLTUNNEL, then press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official SSHSSLTUNNEL website. Make sure you are opening the official website to avoid downloading the wrong application. After landing on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. A list of options will appear. From this list, select Free VPN to continue. You will now be redirected to the VPN section where different VPN applications are available. Look for NOPIE Tunnel VPN and tap on it to begin the download process. Next, tap on the Install button. The application will start downloading and installing automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch NOPIE Tunnel VPN. When the VPN opens for the first time, you may be asked to allow notifications. You can choose to allow or skip this option based on your preference. After that, you will be taken to the home screen of NOPIE Tunnel VPN. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on so the app can load and update the available servers. In some cases, the app may refresh or restart briefly after loading the servers. This is normal, so just wait a few seconds. Now let's explore the interface. The app is mainly divided into two important sections, one for selecting servers and the other for choosing protocols or tweaks. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of available locations. Choose any server that suits your needs. You can change the server anytime if you experience slow speed or connection issues. After selecting the server, tap on the Tweaks section. Here, you will find different built-in protocols. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best with your network. If you prefer more control, you can use custom settings. In custom mode, enter a name for your tweak, select the desired protocol type, and configure SNI if you are using SSL. You can also experiment with other available options to optimize your connection. Once everything is configured, return to the home screen and tap the large Start button to connect. Within a few seconds, the VPN should establish a secure connection. When connected, you can begin browsing safely and privately. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech guides. If you have any questions or face any issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.